Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel Nutan Online Study. Today in this video we will see how to make lesson plan on the topic family. Okay, this is EVS lesson plan. So if you need the PDF then please do comment me in the comment section below. Okay, so like this we have to make our lesson plan. Here previous knowledge, so students are already aware of their family, like they know about names of each members, occupation, etc. Here for general aim, to enable them to write and read, to enable them to make sentences on family, student will be able to speak, write, read and make sentences. So student will be able to write, they will be able to construct sentences on their family. Specific objectives you can see here. To let them read, write and listen this story on family. Students will be able to construct sentences on their own family. They will be able to describe about everything related to their family, like from their names to occupations, etc. Here you can see teaching aids. So we have to write all the teaching aids that we are going to use while teaching to students. Correct? Okay. Now here you can see introduction part. So I have added here 5 questions. 5 questions is maximum. So what we have to do is we have to ask question. We have to raise one student and we have to ask this question that what is your name? Then student will answer their name. After that we have to ask how many members are there in family? They will try to answer. What is your father name? Then student will answer their father name. What is your mother name? What is her occupation? Student will try to answer. Okay. Do you like your family? Yes, I do like. So you can change this question also if you need. Okay. Here you can see to arouse previous knowledge, to check previous knowledge, to check attention, to link past experience with present knowledge. So this is objectives and specification. Here subject you can see. Okay. After that we have to give our statement. We have to announce our topic. Here you can see. Okay. So we have to write topic on blackboard also. This is overall look. Right? Now let's see presentation. Presentation 1 you can see here. So this is presentation. We can draw this on blackboard also, or else if we have any like chart or anything we can show this thing. And here you can see presentation. Question related to that means after explaining we have to ask question also. How many members are there in this family? How father helped both of children? What a mother do in family? Who gets children ready for school? So this is a story. We have to first tell them the story and we have to ask question related to that. Here is the blackboard work. We can draw diagram also. Father, mother, okay. After explaining we have to also use chart. So teacher explain with help of chart. Students observing chart. You can see this, okay. Presentation 2. So here you can see photos of grandfather. This is grandchildren. These are grandchildren, okay. So we have to once again continue the story. Who brings chocolates? What do grandmother do? So this is, and this you can see here about grandfather giving chocolate to grandson. Okay. Oh, this is overall look. Okay. Now here you can see rest part of presentation 2. Now this is a rest question. Who is your younger and both sibling? Draw picture of your family and write something about them. So student will try to draw. Here you can see blackboard work. Okay. And here skills. Teacher shows chart. Students observing chart. For teaching it we have to write chart. Now recapitulation. Here you can see I have added 4 questions here. You can extend it up to 5 questions. Write the name of your father, write the name of your mother. What do your father and mother do? Draw picture of your house like this. And here student will answer each question. Okay. Now this is overall look. Last question. Application and evaluation. Fill in the blanks you can see here. So I have added here you can see 4 questions. Okay. My sister name is, my father occupation, my mother occupation. There are total this member in my family. Okay, they have to fill in this blank. Okay, home assignment. So for perfection of their knowledge, we also have to give home assignment to students. Okay, so this was my lesson plan on the topic family. Okay, if you like this video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.